Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're going to go over why are my dishes not quite as clean as they used to be. Well, if you've had your dishwasher for a little while, there are some basic maintenance things that you should do to help your dishwasher clean as efficiently as possible. And we're going to show you what those are today. Okay, so you have your nice Whirlpool dishwasher. It's been working great, but also just not quite as clean as it used to be. So you're going to want to remove the rack. Okay, and in here, let me get this out of the way. Obviously, this hasn't been used yet, so it is actually very, very clean. You're going to look for the water filter. And I don't mean water filter as the kind of filter that you get on your house that cleans your water, makes it taste better, nothing like that. This is a filter that basically gets larger chunks of stuff out of the way of the pump motor so the water flows clear, okay? And this is what I'm talking about, this right here. This is your filter. You have two of them. You have this one, and then you have this one, okay? If you look at this one, that's pretty big. This is for large chunks, so it doesn't allow it to go into the system and start to mess with your system. If you can't see through it, well, you need to clean it. You can clean it with a brush from your washer that you wash your dishes with. That does a real good job. Clean it out, rinse it off, make sure you can see through it. Now, this is your secondary filter. This is for finer material, okay? You see, I can see through it. Not real great, but I can still see through it, and you can still see light coming through it, okay? This needs to be cleaned and maintained. If you haven't done it before, you're looking, where's that at? Then obviously you should probably do it. Because what happens is they end up looking something like this. Okay, if you look at this, you see all this stuff? That is not allowing water to flow through. And the less water flows through, the less water pressure you have. The less water pressure you have means the less your dishes are going to come clean. Now, what I'm talking about is if I take my finger and I scrape this is just my finger, okay? And you knock it out, you're going to see all that stuff coming out. Just take a little brush, nothing, not your green scrubby pads, not your Brillo pads. You want like a toothbrush or a soft brush like that, and then you can basically clean it out, okay? That is one way. So there's another thing you can also do is you can do either and or both. That's up to you what you want to do, is use a dishwasher cleaner, okay? This is what it is. Basically, you put this in, you run a cycle with it empty, and it helps get rid of the hard buildup, the water scum, the things that just don't wash off easily. This will help get rid of. This is a fresh. It is one of them out there. I'm not saying it's better or worse than either out there. That's for you to figure out and you to try. But between the two of these, you should be able to keep your dishwasher clean enough that it's going to wash a lot better for you. Like I said, you take one, and it gives you instructions on how to work on it, the whole 9 yards. It's very good to do, okay? But I'd recommend doing one and or both. Now you got to put it back together again. This isn't real hard, but if you've never done it before, it might be a little interesting the first time you do it, okay? Get in there, as it gives me trouble. Push it back in, make sure it's all nice. You know, make sure, like I said, it all seats flow. Because if it doesn't seat right, and you're like this, a lot of water is going to go through there. It's not going to work right, okay? Your instruction manual should show you how to do this, but do it a couple times just to practice it. Then you put this back in, okay, and boom, voila, it locks back down. You want it to where you can't pick it up. If you just put it in, that's not in right. You want it to where it actually sits and seats, and that's all you do. Take care of it. Basic maintenance for your dishwasher will help keep it running for a very long time, so you don't have to call me to come out and fix something that broke. So don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel. You folks come back for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.